Before the world knew New York, before London ruled the seas, before Paris shaped culture, there was Amsterdam. Not a city, a machine. The year is 1667. Cold wind moves across narrow canals. Church bells echo through damp streets. Ships crowd the harbor, silent, massive, waiting. Amsterdam does not sleep. It calculates. This city should not exist. It is built on mud, on land stolen from the sea, held together by wooden poles and faith. One storm, one mistake, and everything disappears. The people of Amsterdam know this. That fear makes them sharp, ruthless, precise. They do not pray for protection. They build it. But what kind of city rises when survival becomes a habit and fear becomes power?
Amsterdam has no emperor, no royal palace, no golden throne. Yet its influence reaches every ocean. How? This city is ruled by merchants, men in dark coats, ink-stained fingers, eyes trained to measure risk, not honor. Power here does not come from bloodlines. It comes from ledgers, from contracts signed in silence. At the heart of the city stands a building more powerful than any castle, the Stock Exchange. Here men trade ships that have not returned, cargo that may already be lost at sea. They sell the future and buy risk. This is capitalism before rules, before safety nets, before mercy. And controlling this system is a force more powerful than any army in Europe.
The Dutch do not conquer land, they conquer roots. Their weapon is the Dutch East India Company, a corporation with soldiers, warships, and prisons. It wages war, overthrows kings, controls spice, silver, and sugar, all from desks in Amsterdam. Every canal house becomes a vault of global wealth. Gold from Africa, spices from Indonesia, sugar from the Caribbean. Everything flows here. Everything stops here. Amsterdam becomes the richest city the world has ever seen. But a city built on money always attracts enemies, and England is watching.
England has kings. England has pride. England has the world's strongest navy. Or so it believes. In 1667, the Dutch make a move so bold it shocks Europe. They sail directly into England's naval heart. Ships burn, cannons roar. England's fleet collapses in humiliation. No land conquered, no crown taken, just dominance. The message is clear. You do not need a throne to rule the world. But victory always demands payment, and Amsterdam is about to make a choice that will change history forever. In the same year, 1667, a decision is made, a trade. The Dutch give up a distant colony called New Amsterdam. In return, they secure power elsewhere. At the time, it feels brilliant. No one mourns the loss. Amsterdam celebrates. Ledgers balance, ships sail, money flows. But history is patient, and it never forgets. The city believes it has won, but the world is changing. Amsterdam grows too rich. Merchants live in palaces. Workers crowd damp rooms near canals. Disease spreads. Fire threatens everything. Rivals learn Dutch methods. England adapts. France centralizes. The monopoly breaks, slowly, silently. The machine still runs, but it is no longer alone. Amsterdam 1667 was not just a city, it was a prototype of modern finance, of global trade, of corporate power. The world you live in today was designed here, in quiet rooms, by men who never imagined their system would outlive them. The canals still flow, the buildings still stand, but the world has caught up. And the question remains, was Amsterdam the greatest city in history or the most dangerous experiment ever created?